Take a look at what we are about to create in this video.
Are you tired of seeing your child struggle with schoolwork? Do you dream of them excelling, not just passing, in exams like JAMB, WAEC, IGCSE, or even securing international admissions with SAT, IELTS, or GMAT? Golden Tutor Mind truly transformed my daughter's WAEC results. From average to distinctions, I'm so proud.
My son always dreaded math, but after their JMB classes, he aced it. The online flexibility was a game changer for us.
At Golden Tutor Mind and in physical classes, provide personalized attention that unlocks true potential.
So we'll be creating this advertisement video. So this kind of video, you can use it to create a faceless YouTube channel. You can use it to create a viral content on Facebook or on TikTok. You can use it for various things. For example, you have a product you are selling, or you run a service. You have a service that you offer. You can use it to create an advert for it. So make sure you watch the video to the end. And if you are yet watching this video and you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, what are you doing? Please kindly do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and give these videos a thumbs up. So let's get into the full video tutorial. So the first step is to generate prompts for our video. We want to generate a video for a tutoring company. Now, how do we generate prompts for this video? Now, there are two methods you can generate prompts. You can either use your head to generate it, or you use ChatGPT, or there's another website I'm going to show you, which is Gemini. So you can either use these two websites to generate your prompt for the video. Now, to generate the prompt, I'm going to leave this prompt in the description box so that you can copy it. So this is what we are going to paste on ChatGPT to generate our video prompt for us. Or we can use the second website, which is gemini.google.com. So now look at the prompt. So let me read it out. I want to create a 30 to 40 second strategic advertisement video for a brand called Golden Tutor Mind. In each scene, now, they offer tutoring service online and physical class for primary, secondary, JAMB, WAEC, IGCS, SAT, IITS. So I want this advertisement to hook my audience and make them to take action. The lady speaking should be sitting, so this is the prompt. All you need to do is copy the exact prompt, just make some addition based on the kind of services or the product you are selling. So you can just edit. So I'm going to copy this prompt and we'll take it to ChatGPT or go to gemini.google.com. So let's go to the second website. So copy the prompt, then I will head over to gemini.google.com. So I'm going to paste in the prompt here. Then it's going to generate the video advertisement prompt. That is the prompt I will be able to use for my adverts to generate the video. Now, if you say you want to use your head to generate the ad prompt, it will be very, very hard because you won't be able to generate comprehensive and a well-dated video. Do you get? So, but with the help of ChatGPT or this Gemini, then you can do what? You can be able to create your prompts. You can see this is a well-dated prompt. This is for scene 1. We have scene 2. You can see scene 2 from here. Then we have scene 3, scene 4, depending on how you want it. Now, look at the visual. Medium shot of a professional-looking lady between the age of 30 to 40, sitting comfortably at a desk in a modern with the logo. Look at the audio. There's audio there. The lady dialogue means what the lady was saying in the video. What you need to do is copy this prompt, put it or just copy it inside your Docs or your Microsoft Word. Then from that place, each of the scene, we have to generate video for each of the scene. For scene 1, you generate video for it. For scene 2, you generate video. For scene 3, you generate video. So you copy it scene by scene. So I will copy scene 1, take it to the next website which we are going to use. So for you to get to this website, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Just click on the link and it's going to bring you to this website. So I'm going to copy this prompt now. Then take it to the second website that we are going to use, which is Flow. So I'm going to leave the link of the second website in my description box. So click on sign in with Google. So I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to sign with my Google account. That's going to bring me to this interface. So I'm just going to click on this. I would like to receive marketing mails. I would like to receive research invitation. Then I'm going to click on next. So we are going to click on new project. Then it's going to bring us to this interface. So before you paste that prompt that you copy, there are some settings we need to do here. So you see the arrow icon, just click on that icon. So once you click on it, it's going to bring this thing out. You see where that output per range, make sure it's on 1, don't put it on 2. Then this model, make sure it's on VEO3 fast text to video. Now, do you understand? So make sure you click on that. So once you do that setting, I think that is okay. Then you can now paste your prompt. Then this text to video, make sure that is there, is on text to video. It's very, very important. So let me just show you. You can see frame to video. So we are putting it on text to video. So once you have done the setting, now we can paste our first scene there. The main character and the script the lady was saying in the video. So which we are going to do, I'm going to paste it here now. Okay, so paste it here, then you click on send. Once you click on send, it's going to generate it. You can see, or you have to wait for some minutes to generate the video. So once it's generated, then you can click on the download button. So let's see what is the video that was able to generate. Let's hear what the lady says.
Are you tired of seeing your child struggle with schoolwork? Do you dream of them excelling, not just passing, in exams like
So once you generate the video, you see a download button on the screen. Just click on download and it's going to be downloaded to your phone gallery directly.
Are you tired of seeing your child struggle with schoolwork? Do you dream of them excelling, not just passing, in exams like...
So before we continue to generate for the second scene and third scene, if you are watching this video and you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like this video and give this video a thumbs up. Then make sure you drop your comments in the comment section. I'll be there to attend to you. So let's continue. So that is how your video advert is going to look like when downloaded to your phone gallery. So now there's something I want to explain again. So another thing I want you to take note is that when you are generating your prompt for your video, I told you we have different scenes. So you have to generate video for each of the scene. Make sure you tell ChatGPT that they should generate scene that's not more than 8 seconds because the video can only generate 8 seconds at once. So now, so another thing is that if you want to use this flow to generate video consistently, like you want to use it to generate video, you need to subscribe, like you need to pay for the subscription. But I have a video whereby you can get the app for free. So I'm going to leave the link in the description box. So before you can generate your video, you need to watch that video so that you can be able to, to subscribe for free. Do you get? So click on the link to watch that video. Then you come here to create your video. So go to where you save your script. Go and copy scene 2. Then come and paste it here again. We want to generate video for the second scene. So once you put that, just click on send, and it's going to generate video for the second scene. So let's see how the video of the second scene, how it looks like.
Golden Tutor Mind truly transformed my daughter's WEC results. From average to distinctions, I'm so proud.
So click on the download button to have it on your phone. So then you also do this. So for scene 3, so you do it for scene 4. So that is how you are going to do it till you finish all the scene. So now after we have finished generating the video for each of the scene, the next phase is for us to compile all the scene together to make it one video. So we are going to use an editing app. We can either use CapCut or InShot or KineMaster. So to compile the video, I'll use CapCut. So I'll click on CapCut. So I'm going to click on New Project. So we are going to bring the video in one after the other, step by step. We first of all import scene 1, scene 2. So then I'll have to go to my video. This is the first one. Then this is the second one. You can see the way I'm picking it. Then this is the third one. Okay, the third one is the parent testimony. Then we have the last one, which is the so then we are going to click on add. Click on add. Okay, so you can decide to put animation if you want to put it. So let's see how it's going to play.
Are you tired of seeing your child struggle with schoolwork? Do you dream of them excelling, not just passing, in exams like JAMB, WAEC, IGCSE, or even securing international admissions with SAT, IELTS, or GMAT? Golden Tutor Mind truly transformed my daughter's WAEC results. From average to distinctions, I'm so proud.
My son always dreaded math, but after their JMB classes, he aced it. The online flexibility was a game changer for us.
So you can decide to add and in physical to compile the video. So once you have joined the video together, then you come to this export, then you export your video. Then you can also decide to put animation if you like. So I'll just click on export and my video is going to be exported to my phone gallery. So you are going to see the finishing of the video. So that will be the end of today's video tutorial. So if you find this video helpful, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and give this video a thumbs up.